All right, this is my homemade do-it-yourself lungs. It took a little bit of work. The easiest part is the inside. So all I did was I cut off the ends of the orange balloons and just taped them to straws. You want to tape them enough that they're sealed, but you don't want to make the straw on the inside like get squished. And then I just taped them together at the top. And the next part I did was I stretched a balloon. Now you either need a small water bottle. This is a 1 liter bottle, like a big 2 liter pop bottle. You'd have to have a really big balloon. So I used a 1 liter bottle and had to sort of cheat and use like a really big balloon that I had. But if you just have regular balloons, then just use a small regular drinking water bottle and it will stretch over the bottom. So I cut the balloon about halfway. So that it was wide enough that it would stretch, but it did, like, you can see that like crush the pop bottle a little bit to make it work. So it does take a little bit of playing around. Then I just put some Play-Doh, like, sort of to seal it. There's other labs that take the water bottle, like the pop lid, and like drill a hole into it so that it's smaller and then it's more sealed. But obviously I wanted to keep this simple. So we're just mimicking how the diaphragm works here. So most people think that you just suck in air and then you push and then you breathe it out. But really what's happening is that you have a muscle below your lungs that when it moves downwards, it means that your whole chest cavity expands and allows your lungs to expand. And then when it pushes up, it's going to force all that air. So you can even see just me doing that is going to. So when you stretch it, that's your inhale. And that's your exhale. And that's your inhale. And that's your exhale. And so what that means is that if we're going to breathe properly, we should really be sort of forcing our abdomen out when we breathe in versus sucking our chest in and then relaxing. So that's called belly breathing, when you actually sort of make yourself look fat, I guess, by pushing your tummy out and pushing it back in. Sorry, I said tummy because I have little kids. Your stomach out and in. So think about that when you're breathing next time, that if you're breathing from your chest and your chest is really expanding out when you're breathing in, that's like chest breathing, and it can cause like back problems and shoulder problems and neck problems, and it's not a really deep breath. So I used to be a singer, and so my vocal coach would always tell you, it's okay to look fat if you're breathing properly. It's a big yoga practice. It's a big workout practice. So if you can learn to breathe better, it's actually known to like reduce your stress too, because it's just your body is working the way it's supposed to. It's better at pumping blood and digestion if your body's working the way it should. So that's your do-it-yourself lungs. So pull it hard, stretch it. Yeah, so breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out, breathing in, breathing out.